In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect a bank in Freshbooks. Connecting your bank lets Freshbooks bring in transactions automatically so you can categorize expenses and keep your books current without manual imports. I'll guide you through the built-in flow from the dashboard to submitting your secure login and share a few tips along the way. Start on the dashboard after signing into your Freshbooks account. This is your home base for everything financial in the app. Look to the left-hand side panel, that's the main navigation. Find banking there and choose bank connections. This is where you manage live links to your financial institutions. Next, click connect a bank. This opens the secure connection window used for linking to your online banking. You'll see a search box. Use it to look up your bank or credit card provider. Type the exact institution name to narrow the results. If your bank shows up in the suggestions as you type, you can simply click it right away instead of finishing the search. After selecting your bank, you'll be prompted to sign in with the same credentials you use for online banking. Enter your username or card number exactly as you would on your bank site. Then enter your password. Take a moment to double check for typos before moving on, especially if your bank locks accounts after several failed attempts. When you're ready, click Submit. FreshBooks will securely pass your details to the connection partner and your bank to verify them. This can take a moment, so don't worry if you see a loading screen. If your bank uses two-step verification, you may be asked to confirm a code or approve the sign-in in your banking app. Just follow the prompts from your bank to complete the verification. Once the connection is successful, FreshBooks will begin syncing your transactions into the banking area. Depending on your institution, the initial import may include a recent history of activity and then update regularly. From there, you can review transactions, categorize them, and keep your records accurate with far less effort. A few quick tips as you go. If you don't see your institution in the results, try alternate spellings or the full official name. Make sure you're selecting the correct region or division if your bank operates in multiple countries. And remember, your credentials are handled through a secure, encrypted workflow. FreshBooks does not display or store your password in plain text. That's it. Dashboard, banking, bank connections, connect a bank, search or select your institution, enter your username or card number, your password, and click Submit. You're now set up to keep your books in sync automatically. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.